Good evening, ladies. This is going to be a series of 3 videos going over the 3 sections of problems on the handout that I gave out on Friday. If you didn't get a copy of the handout or you left it at school, you can go to Google Classroom and download it there and then come back to this video so you can watch it. Now, we're dealing with sale amount, taxes, amount of tax, and total cost according to this table here. Now, you can do this. This is based off of what you did last year, but we'll review it, don't worry. So what we're going to start with is a proportion that I know Mrs. Berkowitz told you last year. Is over of equals percent over 100. Does that look familiar to anybody? Go ahead, you can write this down. If you need to pause this video, pause the video. That's what it's here for. Okay, so we're going to use this formula for most of these problems. The amount of tax is going to be our is. The tax is our percent. And our sale amount is our of. So that should kind of help us figure out what we need to use as our variable, our unknown. Now, to finish this up, we're just going to add, come back here. To get the total cost, all we're going to do is add the sale amount plus the amount of tax. And that will give us our total cost. So let's go through these 4 problems here. Now, or 5 problems. If you want to stop this video and try them on your own and then go back to it, you are so more than welcome to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and start working on this. So I'm going to use my formula is over of equals percent over 100. Is $4 over of, which is $49.95, equals, I don't know what my percent is, over 100. And I'm just going to cross multiply. Remember, cross multiply is going diagonal. And I get 49.95x equals 400. Divide both sides by 49.95. And I get that x equals 8%. Remember, we want to round these. So 8%, if you notice everything's rounded to the nearest tenth, 8% works. So we're going to go ahead and put that 8% in. Whoops. Why aren't you writing 8%? And it gave us our total cost. Let's go to the second problem. Here I don't know my sale amount, so I don't know what my of is. But I know my is $6.43 over, don't know the sale amount, don't know the of, equals 5 over 100, because my percent is 5%. I'm going to multiply. I have 5x equals 643. Whoops, that's not a 3. Divide both sides by 5. And we get that x equals 128.60. 128.60. Now I have to find my total cost. So I'm going to do 128.60 plus the $6.43. And I'm going to get 135.03. 135.03. Not so bad anymore, right? We kind of got this. Let's finish this up. Again, if you want to stop the video, do the rest on your own, and then come back and check your work, totally acceptable. Let's see here. Whoops. I have my, I don't know what my is, but I know my, so I'm going to start with my x over my of is 499.99 equals 7.5 over 100. I'm going to cross multiply. I get 100x equals 3749.93 cents. Then I have to divide both sides by 100. It's 93 because you get 92.925 and you round up to 93. Divide both sides by 100 and you get x equals 37.4993. But again, we're going to round. So this is going to become 37.50. That's the amount of tax. And now we have to add that tax to our sale amount. $499.99 plus $37.50 equals $537.49. $537.49. Okay, last two. Here we go. Here we go. As you can see, I moved the screen down a bit. I don't have my is or my of. How can I get my original price? Well, let's think for a moment. My original price is going to be my total cost minus the amount of tax that was added on. So let's go ahead and do 2702.96 minus 128.60. And that's going to give us $25.99. So that's going to be my of. Now I have to find the percentage. Let's go back to our little equation. Is over of equals percent over 100. You know what to do now. We're going to cross multiply. We have 103.96 equals 25.99x. Divide both sides by 25.99. And x is going to equal 4. So the answer here is 4%. And now for the last one. I don't know what my is, so let's put the x over. 12,499 equals 7 over 100. 7 times 12,499 is 87493 equals 100 times x. Divide both sides by 100. And we get x equals $874.93. And now we just have to add it back to the original amount. 12,499. And that's going to be a total of $13,373.93. Well, I hope that was helpful. Again, if you need to rewatch this video, if you have questions, feel free to email me. I'm going to have the next video for the part 2 up in a few moments. Hope this is helpful. Have a great day.